Low blood pressure is a very deadly and dangerous disease that tends to be worse than high blood pressure. It is a common disease that a lot of people across the globe are suffering from today. It is more common in older people than young people due to many factors. However, low blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a blood pressure under 90-60 millimeters of mercury. It is a chronic disease that should not be taken for granted for any reason. Unfortunately, some people with low blood pressure don't know they are victims. There are many symptoms to know if you have low blood pressure, and although it has similar symptoms to other health problems, you can still differentiate them. We are going to have a look at some symptoms of low blood pressure you should not ignore. 1. Dizziness or feeling lightheaded. 2. Fainting or passing out, syncope. 3. Nausea or vomiting. 4. Blurred or distorted vision. 5. Fast, shallow breathing. 6. Fatigue or weakness. 7. Feeling tired, sluggish, or lethargic. 8. Confusion or trouble concentrating. 9. Agitation or other unusual changes in behavior, a person not acting. Please, if you begin to notice these symptoms in your body, kindly seek medical attention as soon as possible.